Transfer photos from Google Photos to your gallery in a very easy step. Hi guys, if you want to transfer your photos from Google Photos to your phone gallery, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end and now so let's get started. Now, if you want to move your photos but you don't know how to do it, then you just need to open the Google Photos on your device, and after that you just need to select the photos individually. So if you want to download this, you just need to select the photo individually, and from here you will see the option of backup. So you just need to tap on the option of backup, and after backing up it will be automatically backed up and it will be automatically shown on the gallery. So if you want to download bulk photos, then you just need to tap on the three dots like this, and you just need to select the photos, multiple photos like this, and also you just need to tap on the option of backup like this. And if you back it up and if you open the gallery like this, then you'll be able to see the photos which you have recently backed up on a device like this. So that's it. That's how you can download the photos or transfer the photos from Google Photos to your gallery. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.